Hi, my name's Debbie Moore and welcome to the world of digital crafting. When it comes to crafting, there's nothing wrong with card making kits or stamping. However, with card making kits, it runs out. With digital crafting, it's endless possibilities. Absolutely access 24/7, and the beauty about it is you become the designer because you can print off to any size. Now all my CD-ROMs and USB keys work in the same format. They work on PC, Mac and Linux, and there's no reason why the program will not work with your computer. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use. So I pop the CD into my computer and then it will auto run. Now on Macs it won't auto run, so look at the back of the instructions and follow them step by step to go to where to actually bring up the program. So as you can see, this is the program come up, and to use it all you need to do is click on the element that you want, for example the design sheets, and up will come the actual collection. We'll click on the design, up will come up the design sheet, and straight away you can see that you have got your toppers, your ribbon strips, your sentiments, everything all in one sheet. Now to print this off, all you need to do is go to the top left hand side. By going to the top left hand side, you'll see a little printer icon. Click on there and this will show you your print preview, and all you would need to do is click on print to print that sheet off. Now I'm going to click on cancel, and that will bring me back to the actual sheet. It's a click and print system, but you do need to come out of this sheet to go to the rest of the program. So all you need to do is go to the top left hand side again, you'll see a little tab with an X, and that will bring it straight back. The beauty about this is that you've got access to all these designs. So say for example I wanted to click on one of the, let's have a look on here, the decoupage sheets, and I like one of the toppers that I want, so let's go for this one here. This is the full sheet. If you wanted to print off the whole sheet, I've just shown you how to do it. However, when it comes to digital crafting, you can print off whatever you want. So I just want to print off this top topper. I click on the snapshot tool, which is just at the top here. All the instructions are on the CD-ROMs or USB keys. Click on the snapshot tool. This enables you to highlight anything in the program. Let go, it says it's been copied, but look what happens when I go to my printer icon now. If I go to my printer icon, it will just show you that little topper. And then if I click on my fit to page, I can make it large, or I can change it to custom size to any size I want. So if I want to make this 75%, can you see, you become the designer. Now remember, once you've actually printed it off, to go back to the program, all you need to do is close the sheet down and you're back to the front of the program. Now, if you have any issues or any queries, please contact the office, but check out the other sections where we show you how to go through different steps. Happy crafting.